welcome to my channel. Let's start today about the resume guidance. Okay, resume guidance for students and freshers in IT because it's a very play a very important role for any those who are going to apply for the companies. So first, whatever the first thing which matters also help you to get shortlisted is your resume, your profile. What's your performance? What's your skill? So this all mentioned in your resume. So accordingly, the hiring recruiters will, just go through your profile and then accordingly they will decide whether you are good fit for this opportunity or not. So let's discuss about this. Okay, how to update your resume to get shortlisted. So see here, resume updation tips. So first tip is the career objective. Okay. So career objective, you have to keep it short and IT focused. Okay. You no need to mention all the details about your whatever the skills and whatever the degree you have just completed. You no need to add all the things in the resume. Only keep it short and IT focused. Okay. Technical skills, you can mention programming, whatever the programming language you are aware about, whether C, C++, Java, Python. Tools, you can mention database and operating system. Okay. Project or internship. If you are a fresher, you can mention the project and internship. So highlight tech used and outcomes. Means in the project which technology you have worked on. So you can just highlight it in a bullet point. Okay. Certifications, yeah, you can just complete the few certification because certification also plays a very important role. It will show a student are active or not. Okay, so certification matters a lot. So better to start certification on the cloud, data science, ITIL or etc. Okay, education, crisp with relevant coursework. Whatever the skills or education you have gained, okay, you just want to mention in a crisp way. Okay, soft skill and activities, it's a hackathon or contest. If you are just practicing your code on the gigs for gigs or lead code platform, as you all aware, so if you are practicing there or hacker rank or hackathon, or if you are participating in any contest, so you just mentioned here. Okay, ATS optimization, as we all know, like currently every company are using the ATS. It is the applicant tracking system. Okay, it's a software used by the company to manage the hiring process. They are not, tracking your profile one by one. It's going through this software. Okay, so make sure you are just putting all the keywords, simple fonts, and it should be in the one page so that it is friendly, so that your profile will get shortlisted. Okay. Avoid mistakes means no grammar error, no fake information. Please, guys, please be honest with your profile. If you are thinking like I will just mention all the skills, if you are not skilled in that technology and you are mentioning it, then it will not, help in any way. Maybe your profile will get shortlisted, but what about when there are question during interview? If you will not answer, then you will disqualify there. Okay, so better to know mention any fake information. Third one, I just want to inform you guys like ATS optimization pro tips. Okay, so make sure your profile is ATS friendly. So for this, use job description keywords. Means uh, according to the company. Suppose you are applying for the Infosys. for the software engineer role. Okay, so go through that job description, whatever the what are the all the details are mentioned in the job description, what is the requirement. Okay, accordingly you have to just update your resume. You can see the SQL incident management. So you just refer the job description, whatever the skills mentioned in that, you just highlight it in your resume. If you are skilled in the SQL and in the job description SQL is mentioned, so you just highlight it in your resume. It's a simple, okay? Save as a PDF unless otherwise specified. You have to always, save your resume in the PDF format. If you are sharing someone your resume in the Word format or either in the PPT, then it will be not shortlist unless if it is not mentioned like shared it in the Word. Okay. Keep formatting simple. You can use this font, Caliber or Arial, a size up to 10 to 12. Okay. Avoid table, images or headers or footer that confuse ATS. Okay, so keep it in mind. Next one, I can just show you the sample. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, you can see the sample of the resume. See here, I just mentioned my name. It's not a correct GitHub or LinkedIn or a email ID. Okay, just for the reference, I have just mentioned here. So accordingly, you have to mention your correct email ID, your phone number, your LinkedIn profile, or your GitHub profile if you have if you have made it. So top you have to mention your name, okay, and then email ID, then phone number, LinkedIn URL, and the GitHub. Okay. Second, you have to mention your career objectives. Career objectives according to your skills, you can just update it. Like I have mentioned, like to leverage my skills in Java, SQL, and cloud technology to contribute to IT projects while enhancing my technical expertise. So according to your skills, you can just update it. Technical skills you have to mention in this way because it is see here, it's clearly visible. Like in programming, you have a knowledge about Java, Python, C++, database, MySQL, MongoDB, tools, you know about it, Git, Docker, and Jenkins. So it's clearly highlighted, okay? Cloud, AWS basics, Azure fundamentals, and operating system, Windows, Linux. You are aware about these operating systems. Academic project, if you are a fresher or a student, you can mention your projects, and it's a mandatory because it will help you to shortlist. Okay, a student, suppose the two projects here is mentioned. First one is a student management system. And you just mention the skills, what skills you have used in this project, like here Java and MySQL. And then you have to mention the outcomes. Outcomes in the sense, in this project, what the main result is coming, like automated student attendance and reducing manual effort by 50%. Okay. Second project you can mention like chatbot application. In this you have used skills Python or NLP and build a chatbot for college queries using Python and NLP. Okay, so in this way you can mention education. Here, see here, no need to mention all your background, education background. Only you can mention those who are the top one. Like BTech is your higher education, right? So you can mention BTech in computer science. Either it's MTech, then you can mention the MTech. Okay, XYZ University, years you can mention and along with your CGPA. Okay, relevant course if you have done like DBMS, data structure, networking, operating systems. So you can mention these all. Yeah, certification also you have to make sure it should be added in the resume. Certification AWS Cloud Practitioner because uh, currently AWS Cloud and the AI, it's a lot of opportunities there in this field. So make sure to certified in these all courses. Okay, so you can mention accordingly. Python for data science. If you have done from the any platform, like here it's mentioned Coursera or Udemy or either any platform. It depends on you. Soft skills you can mention, like here I mentioned team collaboration, problem solver, okay, communication and analytical thinking. Okay, so this is the one page resume, and you should also prefer only one page resume. If you are a fresher, always keep it in mind, like consider only one page resume. Okay, so this is all for the today. If you like my content, so please